go, go, go! You see that, Daniel? It's the perfect ramp.
You're insane, Emilian. We can't do that.
We have to. It's our only way.
I'm not sure if I can do it.
You idiot! We have to get out of here! Je viens chercher mon taxi, t'as un problème hein? Attention, le taxi est sécurisé et en route vers le garage. Tout va bien.
I told you to go the other way, you idiot.
It's faster.
Faster to fall to your death? Get in. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Je sais pas. I told you we were going the right way. No way, we're stuck.
You're putting us in danger. Let's go. Well, we aren't going anywhere until you explain this. Fine, get in. I'll tell you on the way. You are gonna drive it or I am? There's no way we're driving off this. Look down.
Easy now, keep it coming back slowly. Right there, engage the brake.
Keep it steady. Look at that drop. It's moving.
Keep it steady. Down a little more.
Almost there. Careful.
Stop, she's down. Check the cables. Keep it steady. Down a bit more. Okay, it's down. Slacken the cables. Right, open the door.
We're out of options. Get the taxi ready. Yeah. It's impossible. The bridge ends. Look at the drop. We have to try. It's our only way to Marseille.
Code 7, ETA 5 minutes. Over.
Move it, we're late.
All right, let's go.
Dépêche-toi, on n'a pas beaucoup de temps.
Ouais, on y arrive, ils sont pas loin. You understand what I need you to do, driver? Yes, I understand. Get us out of here first. I just wanted to let you know that I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic, positive day. Keep your eyes on that taxi. He's almost at the tunnel.
I see him. Don't lose him.
Go, go, go! We're almost there.
You shouldn't have been up there. I had no choice. They were right behind me.
Just get the car secured. We're running out of time.
You idiot! We have to get out of here! We can't leave it! It's too late! It's over!
Un peu à gauche.
Stop.
Ok. Plus lentement. C'est bon. Détachez-le.